Acne can be frustrating, especially when you need clear skin fast. But don't worry, there are effective ways to reduce pimples and acne within just 2 days. Let's dive into some tried and true remedies that can help you achieve clearer skin quickly. First, cleanse your face thoroughly. Use a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser to wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. This will help remove excess oil, dirt, and bacteria that can clog pores and cause breakouts. Avoid harsh scrubs, as they can irritate your skin and make acne worse. Next, apply a spot treatment containing benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Benzoyl peroxide kills acne-causing bacteria and reduces inflammation, while salicylic acid helps unclog pores and exfoliate dead skin cells. Dab a small amount directly onto the pimple and let it work its magic overnight. For best results, use a product with 2 to 5 benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Now, consider trying a natural remedy, tea tree oil. This essential oil has powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the size and redness of pimples. Dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, and apply it to the affected area with a cotton swab. Leave it on overnight, and you'll notice a difference by morning. Another quick fix is to use an ice cube. Wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and hold it against the pimple for a few minutes. This will help reduce swelling, redness, and inflammation, making the pimple less noticeable. You can repeat this a few times throughout the day for even better results. While treating the outside, don't forget to hydrate from the inside. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and help flush out toxins. Avoid sugary drinks and junk food, as they can trigger breakouts. Instead, opt for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and foods high in antioxidants, like green tea and nuts, which support healthy skin. Finally, make sure to get enough sleep. When you're well rested, your body can repair and regenerate skin cells more effectively. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to sleep on your back to avoid pressing your face against the pillow, which can irritate your skin and worsen acne. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce pimples and acne within 2 days. Remember, consistency is key. While these remedies can speed up the healing process, maintaining a good skincare routine will help prevent future breakouts. So, take care of your skin, and soon you'll be on your way to a clearer, healthier complexion. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wellbeing World for more health tips and information. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay strong and healthy.